driving down the freeway the other day. Some little jerk-off cut me right off my lane. I knew there wasn't anything I could do about it, so I wrote a song. It goes like this. Were you born an asshole, or did you practice your whole life? Either way, it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Well, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday, you're an asshole tonight. And I got this feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life. All right!
Oh, what the fuck are you doing? Come on, mate. What are you fucking doing? What are you doing? Fucking hell.
What the fuck are we doing out here? I asked you, what in the fuck are we doing here?
Look at this fucking mess. Oh, no indicator. Well done.